Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We are going to show you to take in the waist with the darts in the jean skirt. So let's go. So we have taken before the waist, so we won't make too much explanation, but I wanted to show you something. You see, this curve is too pronounced. And she needs that much of the waist. We cannot go and just do the line. We will make 2 darts here to help, and then from there we will take it in. So let's just do it and you will see. So you know the first step, you know what it is. We will mark our pins. The second step is to remove the belt loop and a little bit of here, just to make it easier to sew. Usually you don't need to remove that, but in this case, because the waist is so small, we will pin to not lose it. Okay, now we will open the waistband. I will open from there because I will have to do another dart. I will check how much I need to take it in. In this case is 3 inches and 1/8, and I will write it down to not forget. And I will open the chain stitch here. The second one. Okay, and now I will secure my flat fell stitch with the pins after I lift the flap. First thing is to balance my marks. I will balance like that. This one is good. We explain balancing in the video of answering questions, so we will put a link down below as well. So this is our pin, and as we know, it's too deep. We have to take in 3 inches and 1/8. Then when you divide it by 2, will be 1.5 inches and just shy and just 1/16. You see, that will be too much. I can do even 1 inch dart, but I don't need to do the 1 inch dart, but I will go and draw a line that looks more or less nice. You see, it's not a curve. You might be wondering why you cannot just do the curve, because this, when the pants are finished, they will be like a point, horrible. So we went here until there is okay. So how much we have here? We have 3/4 inch. So that means 3/4 inch, 3/4 inch. I will make a 3/4 inch dart here. That will be just besides that. See, I will take like one rule, and then I will mark 3/8. 3/8 by 2 is 3/4. And then like this one, I will go deep until the bottom, and we will be okay. I'll mark this one at the other side. See, same thing. And then 3/8, and I will make my dart. Okay, so let's sew. So that's the dart, the first dart. And I want you to notice something that is very important when you are sewing darts. You see, I sew it curved. I didn't sew it straight. Most of the people sew the darts straight, but people are not straight. We are not geometrical. We are organic. So look how nice it looks. So let's do the other. I will regulate my stitch closer to the one of the jeans. second dart, and now I will sew the back. So here we will be a little fast because remember we have 2 more videos with the waist, so we don't need to take too much time. 3 more videos in fact. Now we will imitate a little bit the flat felt, just a little bit bigger, and you know what we have to do. We did it before today. We cut this one. Before I just had to cut one because the other remained the same, but in this case we are taking both sides, so I have to cut them both. But you see, just a little bit bigger. This and the dart will be enough if the customer wants to go back in one moment. We will cut a little bit here. We will stitch it so it doesn't move, or you can just iron if you want it to look with less stitches. I just stitch it because I found that this is better than just iron. And then I will do my top stitches. I'm checking what size is the top stitch. Usually it's to the left side, but sometimes it goes to the right. This time it's to the left. So I'm doing the top stitch. Finish the first one. Let's go to the second. There we go. And now let's just take in the waistband. I mark here, mark there, found my middle point, this one. So I cut here. I need to take in 3 inches and 1/8, so I will mark half of it on each side. 3 inches and 1/8 divided by 2 is 1 inch and a half plus 1/16. So I'm marking my piece half, and then I will make a line here, and then I will just sew it. For sewing, you see, I have them both like that, and I will just put like that, and I will make sure that all lines match. And we will sew our waistband back. You see what I explained in another video, that it's better to raise it a little bit. With this skirt I can't because you can see the color, so that's why it looks a little bit down here. But in this case I don't have choice, but whenever you can, you just move it up a little bit. So I'm trying to stitch over the same holes because it's not like fabric. You really have to try to do it exactly in the same place. Well, that was all for today. I hope that you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share. Bye!